Hello everybody, in this video we would like to demonstrate how you can send your location on an iPhone 14 series device. So first of all, you gotta open the Messages app. Next, either enter the dialog with the person that you were to share the location with, or create a new one by tapping on this icon at the top right corner, then choose the contact that you would like to, share the location with. Next, just text something, no matter what really, doesn't really matter. After that, tap on this person icon at the very top, and at the contact detail should I say, or at the dialog details over here, just go for the send my current location option. Then choose whether you would want to send the person your one-time location, or choose this message to share your location for some time, while you will be using the app or whatever. So I'll just allow while using the app, and just like so, it will show your location. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.